The ICEVI, the Nippon Foundation Mathematics Package for Teachers video series, Abacus as a Mathematical Tool. Title of the video, Column-wise Abacus Addition of 3-digit Numbers. Let us take the example 459 plus 678. As mentioned earlier, the child may note these numbers on braille paper or use braille marked numbers on a separate reference location. That is 4, 5, 9, 6, 7, 8. Now we have these numbers with the braille markings. That becomes handy for the child. Let the child take the units column first and add the numbers. Let us set the number 9 in the units column. We have to add 8 with the number 9. There is no possibility to add 8 there, and therefore we have to add 1 in the tens column and subtract 2 from the units column. Now we already have 1 in the tens column, and we simply add the tens column's numbers with this. That is, 5 should be added first in the tens column. That will make it 6, and then we add 7 to this. We do not have 7 in the tens column, and therefore we add 1 in the hundreds column. We have to subtract 3 in the tens column. That means subtract 5 in the upper abacus and add 2 in the lower abacus. Now the addition of this column is over, and we move to the hundreds column, where we have two numbers 4 and 6. So let us add 4, and this means we move 5 from the upper abacus and clear the already appearing 1 bead in the lower abacus. We have to add 6 here, which is not possible, and therefore we have to add 1 in the thousands column. That means we have added 10 instead of 6. What is to be done now? We have to subtract 4, that is subtract 5 in the upper abacus and add 1 in the lower abacus. Now the answer is 1, 1, 3, 7. We can do this in the reverse way too. Let us add 4 and 6 in the hundreds column. That means we add 4 first. There is no possibility of adding 6 there, and we simply add 1 in the thousands column and clear 4 in the hundreds column. When we do additions, we should not start from where we have left in the previous stage, but we have to just go to the respective columns. Therefore, we have to move to the tens column, where we have to add 5 and 7. Let us add 5. That means move the bead towards the separation bar, and we have to add 7 with this, which is not possible, and therefore add 1 in the hundreds column and subtract 3 in the tens column. That is, clear 5 and add 2 in the tens column. Let us move on to the units column, where we have to add 9 first, and we have to add 8 with 9. As there is no possibility of adding 8 there, we add 1 in the tens column and subtract 2 in the units column. Now the answer is 1, 1, 3, 7. Therefore, addition works both ways. However, it is reiterated that noting the reference numbers and use of right columns for addition becomes vital if the correct result is to be obtained.